Hey there, Collena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So a few weeks ago, I spoke about how we can use Vocal Frye as a useful tool to help us to extend and strengthen the lower range of our voices. Well, this week we're going to be talking about Vocal Frye again, but how we can really use it to help connect chest voice and head voice. So let's talk about it. So Vocal Frye is the lowest of our vocal registers. When we're in Vocal Frye, our vocal cords become loose as uncompressed air travels through them. Now Vocal Frye helps our voice to stay really relaxed, which is really great for helping us to stay away from strain and tension in the voice. But ultimately, Vocal Frye is relaxing the voice, which is why we're going to use it to really connect from chest voice to head voice. So when traveling through from chest voice to head voice, really going through that transition there, for the majority of us, it can be a little bit challenging, you know, but Vocal Frye is really going to help us to just connect through much easier because our voice is going to be in a more relaxed position, which is going to help us to connect into head voice just that little bit easier. So without further ado, let's do the exercises. So getting into Vocal Frye is usually super easy. You just have to pretend that you've just woken up and you're just beginning to vocalize. Ah, ah, ah. See if you can bring it up a little bit. So we're really using Vocal Frye to find that small coordination in the voice that's really taking us into head voice. Personally, I think Vocal Frye is a really great tool for us to use as singers, and it is super safe as long as you're keeping it 100% relaxed and you're not pressing your vocal cords too tight whilst doing it. So that was it for connecting chest voice and head voice using Vocal Frye. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you can stay up to date with the latest videos. But until next time, amazing people, I will see you soon. Peace.